Yo, what's up, everybody? Well, this is an unboxing of sorts. Pittsburgh 6-bit impact screwdriver. I had to get one of these, y'all. Got good weight on it. Feels good. I got screws that don't want to come loose. Feels real good. Got good weight to it. So I'm gonna try this. Hopefully this will work for me. Bring you over here where you be able to seal this up something. Cause I'm gonna be right there beating on it. I'm trying to get that side cover off first. So I find where I put my hammer. That should be a lot better. Should be a lot better, and y'all should be able to see something now. At least I'm hoping y'all will. Alright, I hope y'all can see a little bit, but I gotta get that cover off so that I can get that clutch cable. Because if you can see on the handle here, the cable might be broke. So let me see here. Well, I guess as a review for Harbor Freight shit, man, look at this. I don't believe this. Shit. Well, one thing I know, I have to get some more bits. Let's try that long one. You know, I might take that back. Should have just bought it. Better get my receipt at the garbage can. That's another one loose. Good size screw. So far it's kind of like just one screw I'm gonna have trouble with. There we go. That got her. Three of the bolts the same, one is a different size. No, I'm probably going to have to take this off too. I think it's straight. I'm trying to get my orientation so I know. Yeah, I may take this back and swap it out so I can get the other bit back. She snapped. Yep, good thing save a bit. I still have to get also have to get these off, which is also why I need the impact. Cause look here, I mean toe up, dudes. So I got to get those off also. Kind of just putting around. Also, I switched them handlebars with some other ones I had. I also removed them grips and I switched them to these, which I got to put that piece on them on the end there. There you go. Yeah, this is going to end of here. So that I don't end up and lose this crap, go ahead and put it on there. But I took the burgundy ones off. I didn't think they looked good on here. They'd have been red, you know, but they was burgundy, so it's like it was a clash. So I decided to go with the black ones, since the bike is mostly black and red anyway, you know. There we go. Got my spinner back. Both sides spinning. So I switched out the handlebars. These are also skinnier handlebars than the other ones. You can see it from over here. Also put those mirrors on there. That was the mirrors I had on my other Kawasaki. I didn't like them on there. I'm thinking they'll be better here. And then I'll get some mirror from my other Kawasaki. Yeah, so that's why I meant. Oh, I pulled the cars back off so I can get those off. So you saw that. I did have it running, but it's not. That's how I found out it wasn't. It wasn't running good because I had saw the way I could hear it. You know, it's like it was. You could hear like the not only just the air sucking, but you could hear like it was puff puff puff. So that's what that. Also, I unstuck the brakes, so I do have front brakes now, and rear brakes, so that's good. I think the next thing is, I'm still waiting on the tank, but if I can get this clutch, if And I also already ordered some more manifold boots for my carbs. I'm thinking if I get those, get this clutch cable right, whenever I do get the gas tank, I should be able to, bolt it on there. Because I'm thinking, coming from China, gonna have to be some type of modification. There's nothing is dead on with that China stuff. I don't care what you put in there. There's always something that's just a little bit off to me. I've never got nothing exactly perfect from them. So, and that's my opinion. I don't know about anybody else. That's my opinion. I have never gotten anything that was dead on. So, you see where I'm at? I guess when I take that apart, I'll let you see the inside of that clutch.